going to attempt to move this John Deere manure spreader up in the front yard. The tire's locked up there, everything's froze. I think I can push it though. Once I get it out here on the gravel, I think it'll roll backwards. It's been a while since it's moved, so I'm not for sure. Ah, great, it's catching the farm Jeep project too. There it goes. That didn't go as planned. That tire is still locked up. It won't roll back. I don't know. Gotta see if I can't get it disengaged somehow. And then I don't know. This may be flat now too. It says come off the rim. Right. You got it to roll backwards, so hopefully it doesn't lock up again. It's not the ultimate way to do it. But it's the best I got for right now. Well, it's rolling, but it's not tracking very good. May not be anything left that tire until I get it up there. And I didn't want to make the turn, so I unhook and see if I can pull it forward, then start backing up again. Tire locking up going forward. Hopefully I can get it back on the road. Yeah. Yeah, move the disc out of the way. Make room for the manure spreader. That manure spreader right next to the John Deere hay rig. Alright, got that in place. Well, there it is with my other antique farm equipment. One of these days I like to restore the manure spreader and maybe even this hay rig. But I don't have time to mess with it right now, so just park it in the front with the rest of the antiques. It's all good. Well, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Catch you next time.